the Vice President at Skymet Weather Services, joins us now. Mr. Palawat, tell us a little bit about what are the other factors apart from El Nino that could hit the monsoons this time, and geography-wise, where are you seeing the weakness emerge?
See, this time we expect that monsoon will be 94% of long period average, that is 8.6 mm, and El Nino will be evolving, and it will be much stronger in second half of monsoon. Apart from El Nino, we expect that Indian Ocean dipole, which is another deciding factor of monsoon, southward monsoon, it is not very positive. As of now, the indications are there that it will be in the positive side of threshold value. But if it becomes positive beyond 2 degrees or so, then it can negate the impact of El Nino. But as of now, it doesn't seem to be. And that's why we expect that the monsoon will be below normal at 94%. And June will be, we can say, around 99% of LPA. And as we progress further during monsoon, the August and September will have the impact of El Nino in greater way.
Okay. So, sir, I just wanted to get a sense that last year there were a lot of areas or regions which saw a deficit, but it was made up towards the end of the monsoon between the months of August and September. So you're saying that because of El Nino, that possibility is not going to take place this time?
Yes, last year we have seen that western parts of Rajasthan was rain deficient, and most parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain, right from Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, all these areas were rain deficient until July. And from August, they received very good rain, and the deficit was eradicated. But now, this year, as we progress further in the month of August and September, monsoon is going to deplete, or you can say monsoon rain will be much weaker. That's why we have come out with a forecast of for August, it will be 92% of LPA. It means 8% deficit, and September, as the monsoon will start withdrawing in the month of September itself, and monsoon rains are not very high in the month of September, but still it seems to be 10% deficient. We have predicted 90% rain for of LPA during month of September. So the overall month, yeah.
Yeah, so basically what you're saying is overall monsoons will be 94% of the long period average, August will be 92%, and September will be 90%, right?
90%, yeah. And July will be 95%, and June will be 99%. July is the rainiest month, and July and August are the rainiest month during monsoon. But July seems much better, but August and September, the rainfall will deplete.
Do you have any data on how do you expect the spread of the monsoon to be? Because apart from the volume, the spread is another important factor to track what the impact of it could on agriculture and rural demand be.
Yes, it seems that South Peninsula will get good rain, and Northeast India, particularly Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, these areas will be also benefited. But the central part of the country, particularly Gujarat, West Rajasthan, North India, Karnataka, Vidarbha, Marathwada and western parts of Madhya Pradesh, they will remain rain deficient. But sometimes it happened that during last 4 to 5 years, we have seen that low pressure areas or depression which usually develop over Bay of Bengal, they take a westerly route across Odisha, Telangana, Vidarbha, South MP, and reaching up to Gujarat and Rajasthan. So despite below normal rainfall over these areas, occasional spurt of rains for say 24 to 48 hours spell of rain will be there over central parts of the country. But overall, monsoon will be below normal, particularly these areas, central India will get impacted more in comparison to other areas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, have you done a probability of the LPA or the long period average coming below 94% as a whole and maybe even exceeding 94%? And what is the probability of both those events and what would it be based on?
As we are now in ENSO neutral condition, earlier it was La Nina, triple dip La Nina. Since last 3 years, we have seen good monsoon, and due to La Nina conditions, now it is ENSO neutral, and this will be evolving El Nino. So gradual increase in sea surface temperature over Eastern Pacific will be observed, and it will be more stronger in the month of August and September. And it will continue up to October and November. Why we have come out with the 94% of long period average, and as we progress further, the monsoon rains will start depleting due to increase in intensity of El Nino, and the geographical distribution will be skewed, and central parts will be you can say will be below normal. However, northwest India, particularly hills and parts of Punjab, Uttarakhand, and Indo-Gangetic Plains, parts of northeast India and South Peninsula will be much better.
When do you come up with your next update, sir?
Usually in the month of July, but last year we have not done any revision, and this year also it seems that we will stick to this forecast. But if it arises, it will be in the month of July.
Okay, all right. So we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that's Skymet. The initial idea is that the monsoon is going to be below normal. It'll probably be at 94% LPA. June will be 99%. July